Alright, so it's finally getting into snowblower season. I took the $300 S10 down to the dump because I think it's too tall to fit in my regular S10 with the cap I have on it. But got this nice old good looking Ariens Snowblower. See what we can do with it. Alright, so I've got it over here next to the shed. Let's see what happens when I try to start it up. Give a little bit of a prime, turn the choke on, gasoline on, key on. Try that again. Alright, looks like we need to get a little bit of carburetor work done. Let's get this carburetor off of there. Alright, so this line is too cold and frozen to get off of here, so just gonna bring the portable heater, heat this up for a little while. Alright, so luckily it worked. Got heated up enough, just came off. So let's get this carburetor all the way out of here. Alright, time to do some more carburetor work, everybody's favorite. Looks like somebody's been in this carburetor before and they screwed up the emulsion tube and one of the jets in here. So I can't get it out because it's brass and they stripped the Phillips head bit. So I just sprayed a ton of carburetor cleaner through it. Hopefully that's good enough. Cleaned out all the other stuff though, so let's put this back together, see what we've got. Alright, let's see if we can't put this carb back on. Got the carburetor back hooked up, threw the key in so I'd have a way to turn it off. See if it runs on my new carburetor clean. Maybe I'll give it a little shot. The good stuff. right, good. Let's put it back together. All right, so there it is. Simple carburetor clean, and it's on its way down. It's super clean in the auger for a snowblower, because if you know, they always rust in there really badly. The engine's got a fair amount of rust on it and all the linkages there, but I'll start her up, move her around, move the auger a bit. That'll be the end.